Hey there, homeowners. Want to extend the life of your HVAC system? I've got some simple but effective tips just for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why regular HVAC maintenance is so important. A well-maintained system can last 15 to 20 years. That's right, up to 2 decades of reliable service. Plus, it enhances energy efficiency, which means lower utility bills and less strain on the environment. Regular maintenance also prevents costly repairs by catching minor issues before they escalate. And let's not forget, it improves indoor air quality, keeping your home safe and comfortable. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty with some essential HVAC maintenance tips. Tip number 1, replace or clean your air filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow, making your system work harder and less efficiently. Change those filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and air quality. Next up, schedule professional HVAC inspections. Annual checkups ensure all components are functioning properly. Professionals will check refrigerant levels, electrical connections, and the overall system performance. Third tip, keep your outdoor units clean and unobstructed. Remove debris, leaves, and dirt around the unit and maintain at least 2 feet of clearance around the condenser. Fourth, inspect and clean your air ducts. Leaky ducts can cause energy loss and reduce system efficiency. It's recommended to get professional duct cleaning every 3 to 5 years. And finally, test and calibrate your thermostat when needed. Setting programmable thermostats can optimize energy savings and ensure your system isn't overworking. Regular HVAC maintenance isn't just a good idea, it's essential for optimal performance, energy efficiency, and longevity. Follow these simple tips and schedule those professional inspections. You'll maximize your system's lifespan and reduce operating costs. Thanks for watching and happy home maintaining.